Hi guys, quick update with regards to ticker symbol BBIG. This papers or document that's found is from Mr. Rick of Twitter. Okay, Mr. Rick of Twitter. And according to him, BBIG, I am sharing all the information about the Colucci case that Lachlan was gracious to share with everyone. So thank you. So I'm just going to read this for you guys. This is what's going on with this information. I'm going to zoom in so that it becomes bigger. Okay, so this is Supreme Court of New York, County of Monroe, Bank of Ventures, that Farnsworth, okay, plaintiff, notice of voluntary discontinuance pursuant to CPLR index. Okay, please take notice that the plaintiff, Bank of Ventures Incorporated, by and through its attorneys, Bradley Damon LLP, hereby voluntarily discontinues the above caption action without prejudice and pursuant. Okay, so these are the lawyers. So I'm just gonna do read the highlights. All right. In reality, according to this document, in reality, Mr. Colucci is attempting to shield himself from a board investigation conducted by Gibson, Dunn, and Crutcher LLP, in which Mr. Colucci refused to cooperate. The identified serious concerns relating to Mr. Colucci, SEC disclosures, and independence, an investigation into alleged theft of company trade secrets involving Mr. Colucci and co-directors Elliot Goldstein and Michael DiStasio, which is now subject of formal whistleblower complaints. Okay, according to this document, Mr. Colucci apparently planned to attempt to take control of the company in force in contravention of both company procedures and Nevada law before relations of his misconduct became public. During a Zoom board meeting on July 24, 2022. Wow. So he is, according to this document, it looks like he's the one who is sabotaging the company. And because of him, by the way, because of this guy, our price of BBIG went down drastically because of him. He is one of the biggest problem in BBIG at this time. This is why the price, we are now at 77 cents. He is one of the reasons. We don't even know. He could be one of the people that are working with the short sellers, right? And giving those information, those disastrous information to keep the price of BBIG down. So this really makes sense. It's really gonna be bullish. As soon as they stop the halt on BBIG, I'm gonna buy more. So on Sunday, July 24, 2022, the board meet again at the direction of DiStasio and Mr. Goldstein's request. This time, seconds after the chair announced that the directors in attendance, Mr. Colucci, hijacked the meeting from the chair in violation of Section 5.5 of the company bylaws and Section 4, the company corporate governance guidelines. Okay, so throughout the meeting, Mr. Colucci physically muted the chair, preventing the chair from engaging in deliberation or liquoring in the interdiness or fitness of the directors regarding the matters being discussed. Contrary to Mr. Colucci, representation otherwise, Mr. Colucci also thwarted Mrs. King's attempts to engage in discussion and instead continued to push his agenda, which included several resolutions in which he was self-interested. So guys, this is basically all these three directors kind of like sabotage a BBIG company, right? So this is a massive. They almost wanted to take over. These people wanted to take over and then kicked out the Farnsworth company. That's what I'm seeing in here. And I think what is in the right situation here is the Farnsworth group are actually the legitimate in the position, but this guy right here is intervening and wanted to be the CEO of this company, only being there for 3 months. You know, there's an investigation that happened with regards to Mr. Colucci being as a independent director. No, he doesn't have the requirements. They didn't announce it on SEC. They didn't make some notification. So he was investigated, and he was investigated with regards to not being qualified. So they tried to suspend him. When they tried to suspend him, hear what he did. He threw tantrums, called for all of these meetings, and then backstab everybody in the Bbig Ventures. That includes Lisa King and Ted Farnsworth. This is the report that I just gathered today, and I just received it. It's up to you to make that conclusion. My name is Rara Coco. Thank you very much for watching BBIG Quick Update. May you have love, peace, prosperity, and good health be with you all. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.